So today we start the advanced Excel if formula. In the if formula we discuss the multiple if condition. So we have the sales. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to just greater than, we have the, if you have the only for two condition, one condition, just like I want to give the incentive if greater than 50 then 500, otherwise less than 100, less than 50, sorry, less than 50 than 100. So we have used the if condition. Okay, if we select the sales and is the greater than 50 than 500, otherwise 100. The simple. Okay. So we
Yeah.
have the multiple condition, like between I have 50 to 80. So if sales is the 50 to 80, then give the 100 the incentive, otherwise 0. So I want to calculate incentive here, but in the between. But problem here is the two condition, greater than 50 and less than 80, and both are the required conditions. So that time we have used the AND formula. One formula is the AND. So AND formula check the more than one conditions. If both of condition have true, then give the result true. Just like we have select the greater than 80 and also give the condition less than equal to 90.
80.
Oh sorry, we
Okay,
have,
90. Okay.
so give the true, otherwise false. So here also give the year 50 and we have give the 80. So greater than 50, greater than equal to 50 and less than equal to 80, then give the result true and false. Okay. So
Yeah.
if so AND formula check the multiple conditions. If all conditions will be fulfilled, it means true, then give the result true, otherwise false. But I want to 800 and 0. So that time we give the formula if. If formula convert the true false and true false result to your result, just like 800 and 0. And we have pressed the enter and we have dropped down here. Okay. Is there any problem with this formula?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I am reading the phone. It's
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So now we have the day, like Saturday, Sunday, it means, and we have give the office here. Okay. If this number
Yeah.
is Saturday, Sunday, then give the office is open, otherwise close. So now I have calculated, I have checked the condition. If day is Saturday and Sunday, then office will be closed, otherwise open. So we have the multiple conditions, but all condition is not required. Any one condition required, because day is the Saturday and or Sunday. Both of days not in the one sale. So we have used the OR formula, or we have select the day equal to Saturday, and Saturday is the text so in the inverted comma, and again this is the Sunday, and press the enter, you can drop down here. So both our condition if true, so yeah, there is the okay, otherwise false. So now we have apply here if condition to on result, just like open and close. So if Saturday and Sunday, then office close, otherwise open. Okay. So you have
Okay.
applied the and or formula. And formula and formula for the required conditions. If you have the both of two conditions, more than one and two conditions, and the condition will be required, so that time we use the and formula, and conditions will be not required but optional, then we use the or formula. So I give the another example for multiple condition. I put the name here.
Only 1 minute, only, Sujit.
Yeah, tell me.
Or and formula, huh? For more than one condition, both of them.
Yeah, right. If you have the more than one condition, you have used the and or formula. If condition be required, every condition be required, then use the and formula, and condition be optional, then use the or formula. Okay, it's clear. Now give the another example for and formula. So we have one result sheets, and there are the subject. I want to give the result pass and fail, but condition is every subject greater than 30 then pass, otherwise fail. So this is the required condition. We have the more than one condition, but both of the condition are required, because every subject, if greater than 30 then pass, otherwise fail. So that time we use the and formula and select the subject 1 and give the condition greater than equal to 30, comma, select the second subject greater than equal to 30, then also third subject greater than equal to 30, and third subject greater than equal to again 30, and press the enter. And you have drop down here, you got the result, but result in the true false. So we have used the if formula for the getting pass and fail. So you have put the pass and fail in the inverted comma. This is that any problem?
Can you repeat it 1 minute?
Yeah,
no problem, but I want to repeat it too.
Okay, but just understand, first you have the more than one condition, right? So condition is both of subject, every subject if greater than 30, every subject number is greater than 30, then pass, otherwise fail. So we use the and formula because we have the more than one condition, and condition are required because every subject have a 30 number is must. Then we give the pass, otherwise fail. So we give the and formula, and one by one we select our subject and give the conditions like that. And after that, if both of the subject, all subject if greater than 30, then and give the true, otherwise false. And we had used the if formula for pass and fail. If and is equal to true, then pass, and is equal to false is fail. Okay.
Okay, let me cross check it again. Okay. If it is less than 30, it's fail, correct?
Right. Yes. Check here. This is the 13. 13 is the subject 4 is the 13. We show the fail. Here check here. Subject 2 is the 11. So the fail. And every subject greater than 30, then show the pass.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now we have the another conditions. Just like we have the ID proof, we have take the ID proof for your office staff, and ID proof is the PAN, permanent account number, DL, driving license, voter ID card, and also passport. Okay, and I want to put the status, and the status key person submit the any one the ID proof, that it means status okay. Just like Pooja give the DL, it means the status is okay. Okay. And Mohan give the PAN number and also passport, it means the status is okay. But Neha not submit the any type of the ID proof, so that is the pending. So person give the any one ID proof, then status okay, otherwise pending. So we have the more than one conditions, but both all condition is not required. We get the any one condition and to show the result. Okay, Mr. Jad,
Yes, yes,
you
yes,
understand the condition?
yes.
So we give the OR formula because I do not use the AND formula, because AND formula check the all conditions. If all condition true, then give the true. But OR formula check the all condition. Any one condition give the true, then show the true. So we have select the pan and give the pan equal to y and DL equal to y, then voter equal to y, then passport equal to y, and we have closed the bracket and press the enter and also drag dot here. So you can see here in the Pooja have a DLY, so give the result true. In the Mohan have a pen or passport, also give the true. But Neha no have any Y, so give the false. So we apply the just and OR formula. Just OR formula. In the OR formula, give the condition one by one. Okay.
Okay.
But I want to true, not a true false. I want to pending and okay. So we give the if formula. If formula check the OR condition. If OR give the true, then show the okay, and if give the false, then show the pending. Right? And we have the dot here.
Yeah.
And we give the result. It's okay?
It's okay.
So we understand the X and formula and OR formula. Any problem? This formula?
No, it's okay. I will do practice on it today.
So you have the practice of this, and tomorrow we
Yeah, I
discuss
did the practice. I did the practice. I can 1 minute. I will share it with you if you want.